Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the SEIKO PRESAGE watch with power reserve indicator. It's 4 hour 15 movement, I suppose, I may be wrong. Got it from Just in Time. They are based out of Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Let's open and see how they have packaged and sent this watch. So this is the box, SEIKO PRESAGE. Okay, this is their yep. This is their invoice, 36,480 rupees. This is the warranty and instructions, and they have filled this warranty card as well. Okay, nice. We have this 4 hour 35 is the movement, I suppose. Okay, we'll look at that. So now the grand reveal. Yes, whoa. Looks to be a genuine SEIKO box, and this is the watch. So power reserve is nearing empty and the time is correct. They have set the time and then sent this to me. And this is the clasp. Okay, let me check for any signs of usage. Nope, don't think so. Yeah. Kind of boring winding a watch on a YouTube video, but yeah, you will see the power reserve go to 40 hours in real time. The winding becomes slightly harder as you move towards the 40-hour mark. But to let the watch not lose time on a per day basis, it's good if you wind it, if you keep the power reserve indicator between 20 to 40 on a daily basis. And it is recommended to wind your watch daily at a particular time. So for today I wound it at 9 p.m. So from tomorrow I plan to wind it in the early hours of morning. Yeah. Let me just put it. This is a heavy watch. This is a big watch. Even the clasp, even the belt is loose. So on my thin wrist it appears like this, which is okay, kind of. Yeah, even though it's thick, quite thick. Just to show as an example, let me keep this here. So just to show the contrast, this is Eco Drive from Citizen, Stiletto. This is around 5 mm, and the same, this is a purely mechanical watch from SEIKO. See, as you can see, that thickness is just humongous, 3 times. See, that's what you get for buying a mechanical watch. handwound. This is hacking also. So yeah. So overall, I would say rose gold version is really nice. At least you get a Presage at this price range. That is the reason for my purchase. All right. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the time, guys.